Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I need a new intro, just like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Always saying that. But hello, welcome back. So today's video is going to be on my December Boxycharm, but it's just not the original Boxycharm. This month, it's the Boxy Luxe. Oh my god, this thing is freaking huge. I can't. When I seen this box, I was so excited, like, it's so big. What's inside? I want to see. This is so much bigger than the other box. Like, look at this, look at this. I have to have two hands. Like the other one, I would just have one hand, like, hey, this is the Boxycharm. But this one, I'm just like, hello, Boxycharm. Boxy Luxe is only every 3 months. So it's December, March, June, September. And then December again, it keeps on. And then the months in between, you just get the regular little box that we get. But either or, it's just still exciting. But this is like massive. The month of Boxy Luxe is just adding $28 to your original price of the regular Boxycharm. I think the value of the whole box is $300. So let's see what this box is working with this month. This is huge. Like look at how, like, you see me opening the box. That's how huge it is. This is how it looks inside. The card is even huge as well. Like, look at how big this is. This month's theme is Tis the Season, like tis the season. Beach theme, the beach Christmas theme. I'm liking it. It shows you what I'm receiving in the box and then the description of everything. First thing that I see is this right here. First item. Let's open this big pamphlet up. Like, the retail price for this is $75. This is more than the box itself. Like, are you kidding me? Get those baby hairs, straighten those bangs, or touch up your curls on the go. It has a little pouch for it. Look at how small this is. This is extremely small. This is so great to travel with because it's small, it's mini. But the only thing is, like, I can't do my whole hair with this because I have long hair. So if it's trouble for me with my long hair, I know for people that have curly hairs, like, what is this? To touch up the front of your hair or just touch up your hair like on the go, this is amazing. And then on top of that, it has a little pouch with this. So like, why not? The next item is this right here. This is from Crimes of Beauty, the Wristlet Plus Portable Charger. So this is the wristlet and then the portable charger. Retail price $22. This durable and lightweight pebble faux leather bag is ideal for the jet setter, the trendsetter, and the girl boss who is always running to her next meeting. This portable charger is compatible with iPhone and Android devices and can be recharged through any USB port, so you will never miss any emails or an Instagrammable moment again. This is awesome. Like, I'm loving this bag. It will go with anything. And then it has this right here to hold for your wrist. I think this is so essential when it comes to clutches because I don't want to be holding my little clutch like this the whole time. Also in the bag, it has a cloth that it splits down. And then on top of that, a portable charger. I'm about to put this on the charger to see if it works. I just received a flat iron plus a portable charger and a cute little clutch. Tell me that ain't bomb. And I still have stuff in the box. Let's do this. This right here is the next item. The name of it, Spongelle. Retail price $20. This smells like everything. This body wash infused buffer will cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish. This multi-user buffer is dermatologist tested and formulated with extracts of yuzu, edelweiss, and vetiver. I think that's how you say it. Oh my god, it has boxy tips again. Yes! I'm excited because it's more than one use. And it smells so delicious. Next in the box is this right here. This is Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Okay, so this is an anti-aging cream. It says reduces the appearance of wrinkles. This is everything your skin care routine has been missing. It's a cocktail of seaweeds that has been blended with ginkgo biloba, I so butcher that, rose, mimosa to moisturize and visibly improve fine lines. It says it'll keep your skin feeling firm and radiant. This is a lot. $89. Things like this get to me. Like, you pay so much for a little thing like this. It has a nice smell. No bad smell. It has a scent to it, but it's not a bad scent. So I'm just going to just tap. I feel like a little bit does go a long way with this. My face looks hydrated and it has a feeling of the cream doing its thing, if that makes any type of sense. Just a little bit goes a long way. I'm down for the hydration. Next in the box, this is so beautiful. Like, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. It's this right here. I love receiving Luxie brushes. It's the Rose Gold Complete Face Set. Retail price $65. Like, I don't want to open this because this looks so cute like this. Let's take it out. So this one right here is the lip brush, the 160. The eyeshadow brush, the 213. The brow and lash spoolie, the 201. This is a tapered blending brush, the 229. The flat definer brush, the 221. This right here, this bad boy, is the 680, the Pro Precision Face Brush, 522, the highlighting brush. Last but not least, big jumbo right here, is the round top blender brush, the 532. So next in the box is this right here. This is from Violet Voss, the Pro Eyeshadow Palette. Retail price $45. 20 highly pigmented eyeshadows ranging in finish from creamy matte to bold metallic and silky satin. The vegan cruelty-free formula is created with finely milled pigments, making for smooth applications and easy blending. I'm liking the packaging. When you go back and forth, it turns different color. It has a mirror, and look at these shadows. I apply concealer to prime my eyes, and now I'm going to use this shadow right here to set my eyes. So my thoughts on this palette: I adore the package, and then I love it has a mirror, and it's like a big mirror too. This matte shadow right here, oh my god, I am loving. And also I use this one a little bit, but it just looks so, it was pigmented once I touched it to my skin. I like it, no complaints. So next in the box is this right here, the Grande Cosmetics Grande Mascara. Retail price $25. It looks like a bullet, like a long bullet. I'm going to curl my lashes. It says it's gonna promote healthier lashes, and I actually feel that when I'm doing it. It's not clumpy at all. And I'm not saying I don't like clumpiness, because sometimes when I apply some mascara that's clumpy, it makes my lashes pop more. But I also like lashes that make your lashes just look natural. After I apply some concealer, then I'll come back and apply this. But for my top lashes, I like it. So if I like it for my top lashes, I'm gonna love it for my bottom lashes, because my top lashes are very hard to make them look good. The bottom lashes, they always look good. I see that gives a little bit more of a oomph to my lashes, and I like that. I'm gonna apply some concealer, and I'm going to use the Luxie brush that's for foundation, but I'm gonna use it to apply my concealer. Is it weird that I like it? I think it's a little bit weird. Okay, before jumping to anything, I'm going to go back into the mascara and apply it on my lower lash line. To blend out my concealer, I use the Luxie 532 round top blender brush. Now this is for foundation, but I use it for my concealer, and it did a great job. For my contour, I'm going to use the Luxie 680 Pro Precision Face Brush. This is for your contour and also your blush. I'm going to take my concealer, I'm gonna apply a little bit right here. Dip right back into the box. I grabbed this right here. This is the Wander Beauty Wondrous Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlighter Palette. I love the beach and sunset and all that, so this packaging is adorable. Look how it looks inside a mirror. Awesome. This Boxycharm exclusive launch contains 3 buttery shades that blend seamlessly onto the skin for a natural glowing finish. The Wander Beauty Dusk to Dawn palette offers 2 blushes and 1 highlighter and is specially formulated to flatter all skin tones and types. These 2 are the blushes and this is the highlight. Retail price for this little thing is $26. I'm gonna dip into Havana Night and Tuscan Sunrise. I did a light wash of color of the 2 blushes because I didn't want it to be so pigmented, and even doing that I had to like blend it out, but I like how it looks. This brush I am really liking because it's great for your contour and your blush. I will be taking the Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush and I'm going to dip into City Lights, this one right here. Apply it right on the cheekbones. This brush is for highlight, and they also say you can use it to powder your face. I would just use this for highlight. This is the perfect brush for highlight because it's so fluffy. It gives a nice amount of highlights on your cheekbone, and then if you want to just apply highlight all over your face, you can. It's just so fluffy that it doesn't apply so much. It just applies the right amount. Now, this right here, the highlight, I'm loving it. I thought the highlight was going to be too much for my skin, like it would be a little bit too dark, but no, it is not. And the blush, the 2 blushes right here, I use both of them together. It gave a nice color. It gave a nice wash of color to my cheek. Last product in this big ass box is the Tarte Glitter Lip Paint. Retail price $20. This sheer lip gloss is infused with shimmery glitter and delivers a luscious, multi-dimensional and high shine finish. The reflective glitter gives your lips a fuller look, while the sunflower seed wax and mineral pigments coat, soothes and softens the lip. Hello there, beauty. Look at the, oh my god, this is gorgeous. In the bottle is gorgeous. I want to see if it's gorgeous on the lips. Oh, it has a little like dip on the wand. Great to apply right on top. This lip paint to me is in between a lip gloss because the way it looks like kind of glossy, but it feels like a lip balm. And then the glitter with it makes it 10 times better because it's so many different types of glitters that it just sparkles so much. But the thing is, you do not feel chunks of glitter. You just feel specks of glitter when you move your lips together like this. But other than that, you don't feel the glitter like, oh, it's like chunky. That is freaking it. That is it. I'm done. It's no more. I spent like $50 on this box, and the overall value for this box is $387. The gap of how much I spent to how much it's worth is crazy. So the 3 items I'm gonna talk about first are the items that I'm happy that I received them and I'm excited to use them because I didn't use them yet. The first one is a sponge. This smells so freaking good. It smells so delicious. I just want it right now. I received a freaking flat iron in my Boxycharm. Like, are you kidding me? This mini flat iron. I'm so excited. It's so cute and I could travel with this. So I'm excited for this. This clutch right here. Yes, this is what I needed to go out. I can use this anytime with any outfit, and it came with a freaking portable charger. How freaking awesome is that? Now, the items that I did use, I have nothing bad to say about any of them. They all did a wonderful job. I'm so excited I received this. I'm so happy. I just can't believe it. So with that being said, guys, I hope this was helpful. Just in case if you want to sign up next time for Boxy Lux, it's just like, honestly, it's worth the money. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I'll answer you. And with that being said, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye.